Hello, my name is Russ Johnson, and this is the demonstration of my SER 316 Assignment 5 Silicon Valley Simulator. All right, first, we will clone it from Git. Bring up the command line, build it. All right, and we'll make sure that we get the JCOCO reports in there as well. We didn't run automated tests in the main class, but everywhere else we got pretty good coverage. 100%. We've got 3 different test classes. For check style in the main, we have no errors. In the test, we have 6 errors. Basically, it's got a problem with the static imports with JUnit. It says it wants them grouped separately, but I am grouping them separately. Whatever, it's fine. And then for spot bugs, in the test classes, there are no warnings. In the main class, our main classes, we have 6 warnings. So check style does not like the implementation of the singleton design pattern. I am implementing the Bill Plu singleton implementation. It's fine. It works. I'm doing it the way that he recommended doing it. Check style doesn't like it. Check style also doesn't like that in the complex battle class, it doesn't like that I'm not initializing my objects, but these objects they aren't generated in this class. They are only built using a builder pattern, and then they are passed to this class with parameters. So I am comfortable with this, even though check style is not. Okay, I realize people grading have places to be, so I'll try and get to this really quick. So we've got our title, our splash screen. So we start a return with a turn report. We've got our 2 tech giants. They each start with 2 startups. Turn 1, quarter 1, 26 active wild startups. Here is our market dynamic. Looks like we got New Year's resolutions, driving people to the gym, health startups get a boost. All right, first thing that happens is all the wild startups fight each other. We don't need to go into that. It just gives us a brief overview. The ones that win gain a level. The ones that lose get regenerated as a level 1. Here is all of our startups. Most turns, the tech giants will fight wild startups in an attempt to acquire them. If they win, they get to acquire it. If they lose, then they lose the startup they put in that battle. Every 3 turns, they get to fight another tech giant and try and acquire a startup from them directly. All right, these go into more detail. All right, so we'll look at one of these. We've got Wellnest is a level 1 driven health company. So health is the category, driven is the culture. Culture is one of our strategy implementations. The culture determines which AI pattern it uses when it picks its attacks. Driven is the balanced AI. We've also got an aggressive AI, and we've got, I think, lifestyle is our defensive AI. And okay, so this is going up against a hustle, so that's the aggressive one. Hustle just that algorithm is just constantly launching anti-health attacks. Driven tries to attack defense and then goes to attack health. So we'll just scroll through this. It gives a readout of what all the attacks are. And then, okay, the winner is, so Global Corp Wellnest was defeated. So Global Corp has now lost a startup, and they're down to 1 startup. Omni Consumer Products is they're going to have their startup fight, and Omni Consumer Products lost 1 as well. All right, turn 2. The market dynamic for this, and a winner, conflicts resume, and military industrial startups get a boost. All right, the wild startups will fight each other. That's the information on the wild startups. All right, the giants will now fight the wild startups. So Global Corp is going to use a driven crypto scam company against a hustle financial company. Oof. All right. And the game is all pretty much over. Global Corp's Ethereal was defeated by a wild bank on it. So now Global Corp is out. Omni Consumer Products, oof, is also out. All right. Well, that was a little depressing, but there are no tech giants left. If we'd made it to the third quarter, the two tech giants would have faced off against each other, but we didn't get that far. Uh, yeah, such is life.